Look no further, this is the one. Just like new and enjoy the low maintenance lifestyle. Beautiful foyer welcomes you and all your guests. Open floor plan on main level with view from kitchen to dining and living room. Kitchen has stylish neutral cabinetry, upgraded tile backsplash, center island all with quartz countertops. Quartz top on the island with area for bar seating. Breakfast nook in kitchen. Stainless appliances, gas range. Large opening over sink with view from kitchen to dining room. Dining room flows to living room with tons of natural light from the large windows and glass door in the living room. Gas fireplace with electric start. Open deck just off living room with plenty of room for furniture and grill. Hardwood flooring on main level. Half bathroom on main level. 3 bedrooms on upper level with 2 full bathrooms and 1 bonus room on basement level with full bathroom. Primary bedroom on upper level features tray ceiling and large walk-in closet. Bathroom off primary bedroom features large separate tub and sleek upgraded tiled shower with frameless glass enclosure. His and hers vanities with marble countertops and large windows flooding the room with light. Separate water closet and linen closet in primary bathroom. Secondary bedrooms on upper level. Full bathroom with tile floor and subway tile enclosure for tub/shower combo located in hall. Laundry room on the upper level near bedrooms. Don't miss the bonus room on the lower level that is currently being used as a theater room. Large TV will remain in this room. Full bathroom on lower level and large deep storage area. Access to 2-car garage with single bay opening on lower level. 2 water heaters located in garage. Garage opens up to street on back side of property. Community pool available. This property is in a super location with easy access to I-575 and Hwy.